this will be the elevator at the Red Roof Inn in Naples, Florida, and look what I just found. I found an original 70s Dover. And it got a slap-on mod. Oh well. Echo chime. Here we are on 3. At least it mostly seems to be original, aside from the buttons and the lantern and cab. Interesting echo chime. Here's a view of the top floor corridor. Dover Black Halo traditional call station. Here's your interlock. 1. TK, or very late Dover traditional on the inside. Cab is just a basic modern cab. Now look at this. It's got a bumper. Okay, that's enough playing with the bumper. Come on, go up. Dover, Miami. Alright, here we go. We'll go back down to 2 and 1. I want to show the intermediate call station. There we go. By the way, there's an 88 phone there. Whoa. Here we're on 2. Love that button. 1. Get off at 1. By the way, here's your Dover Blue. Alright, I'm just gonna let it shut now. Alright. It's been inspected recently. Ooh. Here we are on 1, which the 1 button already went out. And here we are. And there's your call station. I love the call station. Too bad the inside's been modded. Anyway, there it goes. And you can hear the relays clicking and everything. And anyways, there it goes. And that will be it.